Imagine coming home to perfectly clean floors every single day without lifting a finger. Sound like a dream? It's now a reality with the Yeedi M12 PRO Plus robot vacuum and mop. The Yeedi M12 PRO Plus boasts an incredible 11,000 pulse suction, tackling dirt and debris with ease. From pet hair to crumbs, your floors will be spotless. Its true edge deep mopping gets right to the edges, cleaning within 0.039 inches for 98% coverage. No more missed spots along your baseboards. Say goodbye to tangled hair with Zero Tangle technology. Its unique brush design ensures a 0% tangling rate, making maintenance a breeze. The Mini Omni Station handles everything: auto mop washing, hot air drying, and auto empty. Enjoy truly hands-free cleaning and a quieter experience. With auto lift mopping, carpets stay dry. The M12 PRO Plus intelligently lifts its mops when it detects rugs, preventing cross-contamination and maximizing vacuum power. True to Detect 3D 3.0 ensures precise obstacle avoidance, while True Mapping 2.0 rapidly maps your home. This robot navigates flawlessly, cleaning efficiently every time. Enjoy up to 180 minutes of continuous cleaning on a single charge. The Yeedi M12 PRO Plus covers large areas, ensuring your entire home sparkles. Ready to reclaim your time and enjoy pristine floors? The Yeedi M12 PRO Plus is the ultimate cleaning solution for busy households and tech enthusiasts. Click the link in our bio to learn more and bring this cleaning marvel home today.